Today I will be sharing a few of my favorite self-care gifts for that person who needs some quality me time. As nurturers, we're always taking care of everyone else, and if you are that person, I have some gift ideas that you can give to that special someone, and that is yourself. I've partnered with Warby Parker. It is a free try-on program. Order 5 pairs of glasses or sunglasses and try them for 5 days, and there's no obligation to buy. It ships free and includes a prepaid return shipping label. Head to warbyparker.com/bemyguest to order your free try-ons today. Eyeglasses should not cost more than a purse. Their glasses start at $95, including prescription lenses. Lenses include anti-glare and anti-scratch coatings, and for every pair you buy, a pair is distributed to someone in need, and I just love that. You can also download the Warby Parker iTunes app from the iTunes App Store. They built this awesome home try-on companion feature which allows you to quickly take photos wearing all the frames, switch it into a video, and share it with your family and friends to pick a winner. And now I'm going to try on 5 pairs of their frames, and you can help me pick a winner. Okay, you guys, so I think this is going to be fun. You guys already know that I wear glasses. I've been wearing glasses since I was 7 years old, believe it or not. And back then, it wasn't in style, it wasn't cool. You were a geek, you were bullied. That was the era that I grew up in. Now, thank God, they're fashionable, and I wear different colors and different types of glasses. So glasses is very much a big part of my lifestyle. So I'm going to try on a few frames. I'm going to try on 5. And I want you guys to leave me a comment down below and let me know which ones you think that I should get. So my go-to glass is this one. It's called the Louise, I think. The Louise. And it has like a cat eye type of frame. It's very elegant. This has always been my go-to because I have quite a big forehead, so I need something to fill it in. But these so far are my favorite. The next frame that I'm going to try is called the Lyle. It has a beach glass keyhole bridge. They're very classic and very round. I do like this frame. I'm thinking that it may be a little bit too small for my face, but they're quite comfortable. Let me know what you guys think of this frame. So what I do like about this next frame, it's called a Tansley, and I like that it's a bit oversized and it has like a polish metal here in the center. I love that, and I love that it kind of matches my blouse. I like to try to match my frames up with my outfits. You know, that's the fun part about wearing lenses, is that, you know, I try to match them up with my outfits. And I think I like this one. The frame that I'm going to try on is called the Coley. It's very circular and slim, and I feel like they're a little too small for my face, but I like them though. And maybe it's meant to be small, I'm not sure, but they're comfortable. I'm not sure if I like them. Let me know what you guys think. But I do like that it has like this transitioning look from brown to blue. I think that's kind of cool. I like that. All right. The next frame I think may be my favorite, you guys. It's called the Nora. And these are a little squared and a little round around them. I do like that it has this polished rose gold look to them. I'm really feeling these. I really am. And they're a little uncomfortable. These little buds that are on there, I'm not a fan of because they hurt and they leave those little imprints, if you know what I'm talking about, with people who wear glasses a lot, who wear these. Oh, I can't stand it. So I didn't realize that when I ordered them, but I do love the color of the frame and the tortoiseshell on the ends here. It's really pretty. I really like that. Burning candles can be so beneficial to your health, your mind, your atmosphere, and it can induce calmness, which is a big part of living a healthy lifestyle. Grab yourself a candle so you can recap those benefits. I got this amazing candle by Glam Gal in the Champagne Rose scent, and it smells amazing, you guys. TJ Maxx has these beauties for only $12.99, and what totally sold me on this candle was the packaging. It speaks for itself. The candle itself is in a blush frosted glass with foil lips on it, and both the jar and the packaging can be repurposed for storing hair accessories or office supplies. Every girl needs an emergency essential kit. This mini glitter cosmetic bag holds 38 pieces inside containing deodorants, nail polish remover, stain remover, nail polish, hairpins, nail file, you name it. Perfect for travel, and it's very easy to carry. This is a luxury lash set by True Beauty. On other sites, it retails for $50, but TJ Maxx has them in stores right now for $19.99, and it comes in this blush pink box with 2 tier, including 8 pairs of lashes. 1 pair on the first tier inside the compact mirror makes it the perfect gift for the person who loves to wear lashes. Store and organize your fashionable eyewear and style with this Oyo box. Display your glasses the same way you would display your jewelry, and the same way men do with their watches. No way to scramble around looking for your glasses. Now you can keep them here in this beautiful box that comes in many different colors and sizes. You can display them like you see here, or you can display them like this, whichever way you want to showcase them. The Monopoly edition is certainly for those who like to play in style. You can roll the dice in this suede recessed top so it doesn't hit the other game pieces, the gold foil path, and just play in luxury. This luxury edition comes with drawers to neatly store all the game pieces, and I love playing game boards with our family and friends because it's a fun way to spend time with each other, and I like to take advantage of keeping everyone off their phones at least for 1 hour. On this particular night, I made hot chocolate in the crock pot, and I got everyone these cute little gingerbread cookies from the dollar store. Some had sangria while others had water. This Fiji water bottle is perfect for business meetings, conference rooms, and of course formal or informal entertaining, which also makes a great Christmas gift. So I hope you all got a few ideas that can keep for yourself as a gift or to give to others, and I want to thank you all for watching.